Hi YouTube, Willie Davidson here. How yous all doing? Right, today I'm going to do a wee short video on a drill that I've had for a wee while, and it's been quite a good wee drill. Where I bought it was Screwfix. It cost me, I'm sure I got it for about £69. And I've got the catalogue here, so I'll before I open we'll get the measurements of the box, right, and we'll show you what's in it. But first I'll take you down to the catalogue, right, and we can have a wee look, and this will exactly show you. Now this is an old catalogue, guys, but it'll give you a rough idea of what I've got and what I bought. So let me get a screwdriver, guys, so I can use as a pointer. Right, we got this drill here, right? So it's the SDS Plus Drill, and I got the accessory with it. So inside the box there's accessories with it. Okay, can you read that? It's a powerful 3-function rotary drill. Drill, hammer, drill and chisel. Max impact energy 8G, is that joules? 8G. Anti-vibration system, I'm doing the handle. Mechanical safety clutch, and it's variable speed. There's a small switch on it, I'll show you that. And if you just read that wee bit there, I'll bring it, try to not get the shadow. Right, telling you about what drilling into masonry, wood, steel. Okay, now the prices here, right, the one I got, see if you notice, this one, that price is supplied with a 9-piece accessory set. What I got was the one with the 22, so it's a 22-piece accessory set. Now that says there £89.99. I'm sure I got it for about 60 quid. £60. It was £59.99 or something. I got it in a deal. Yeah, I got it in a deal, guys, and I was quite happy with it. As I say, there's the drill there. But anyway, that was just to give you a rough idea what you'll be paying for it, right? And you obviously got a 2-year guarantee in that, right? But anyway, let's sling this aside, right? Get rid of the screwdriver. The box is a plastic box, right? It's plastic. Let's go for the measurements of the box for you. There's the ruler. So, for the bottom, the box, say about 15 inches high, and the width, we'll put that there. It's about 16 inches long, and width is about 5. So basically when the box is lying down flat, up the way, it's about 5 inches deep, we'll say 5 inches deep. Alright, so it's quite a sturdy plastic box, guys, quite sturdy. It's got metal clips on the handles, metal clips. It's solid, as I say. It's quite a tough looking box. Okay, let's get these clips open, just like that. One there, one there. Metal, made of metal, guys. Metal clips. And let's open her up. Get her positioned right. I'm only, see with me having to hold the camera, guys, it's quite awkward. I've not got 2 hands to do this, but there was one thing, see, I noticed when I got it new, and it really pissed me off a wee bit. See when they put these drills in boxes, and the cable was wrapped up that tight together with string round it. Long term, if the cable's like that, it can actually damage. They didn't get it, it'll end up damaging the cable. I didn't like cables round up too tight, because you end up wrecking them. I do pat testing and that at my work, and cables are quite easily damaged. Again, but it's a 240, as you can see, 240 volts plug in into the mains. Obviously I stay in Scotland, so as I say, we're 240. Right, I'll just leave that cable like that in. So, right, clips for locking, well, shutting, clipping it shut. They're metal. It's a plastic box. Right, let's have a wee quick look at what accessories you get with it, right? Because you can see the drill. We'll have a wee chat about that. You've got 3 bits there. See the sizes? Oh, 12mm. Oh, 12mm bits. Right. So there's 3 there. Right. Lengthwise, say about 14 centimetres. Yeah. 14 centimetres. Or if you prefer, we'll do it in inches. It's about 6 inches. They're about 6 inches long, the length of these bits. Right. You get this. Now, it's a SDS Plus chuck that's on that for these SDS bits ends, but also you put that into the drill, put that into there, and then it does your ordinary drill bits. Okay, and then you can use ordinary drill bits in it. Okay, I personally think it's a bit big for doing the likes of that. I've got other drills because it's quite a heavy drill. You didn't want to be using it at height, because it'll tire your arms out. So let's do an overall of the lid. So that's the lid of the case, right? And that's what you're getting in it, right? So you've got your chuck there, your wee chuck. That's what we call it, a chuck. And that's for obviously slacking in and tightening that when you put your drill bits in. Then you've got your other drill bits. As I say, I didn't really understand the method and their madness. I mean, 8mm. Now they're masonry drill bits. They're for going into brick or concrete or stone, right? 8mm, 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 okay? Then you get your chisel and your point, because it's a breaker as well. Now, it's no your SDS Max, which is, it's about twice the thickness and it's a bigger drill you get. As I say, this is a smaller version, but you can still do breaking with it. And that one for digging out wee channels or whatever it's for. Okay, now over at this side, you've got the weird ones. That's a 5mm, 6mm. That big one, I'll take it out, guys. I'll take it out. I had them turned round so you could see it, but that's a 20. I don't know if you can see that. 20mm. Right, I'll just put that to the side now. And this one, they've never been out, guys. They're tight, which they're better being tight because you didn't want them falling out the box. See it? That one's an 18mm. 18 and a 20, guys, right? And then we're down to a 6, an 8. Is that 10? I think it's a 10, a 12. And they're all 10. Aye. 10, 10, 10. And this one is a 14. And that one, so it's a 14 and a 16. So there is, as I say, they've got like 3 different bundles there with like 3 the same. I don't know why they didn't just put like if it was 7, why you all 7, say a 6, 7 and an 8 or whatever, eh? But that's what you get in the kit. They'll get used, as I say. I've got other ones in other boxes. My main drill box has got all your masonry bits. So they bits probably wouldn't, but it's just the handiness of having them with you in case you need them. Right, let's have fun. Put these back in, guys. I like to keep my stuff tidy, eh? And when you're using your stuff, try and when you're finished with it, keep it clean. Let me set this down, guys. And I'll put this bigger in because it's tough. I know how to burst it. That's it. Right, so that's accessories. So that's the 22-piece accessories you get with that. I never showed you that bit there. This bit, it's just a bit of rubber. I take it when you've got a drill bit in it, you put that on it, and whether it stops the muck going through and into your drill and catches it coming out the hole, or I've never ever used it before, I'm not really sure, but you can comment below and let us know. Let me pull this cable out, guys. Right, cable out to the side, and you've got this wee thing here, and that goes in there, obviously. Okay, and it's your size for your depth. Don't know how far you can hang with this, or does it go in that way? There you go. And that goes in there. That's for your depth, guys. For going into the walls or wherever, so you didn't go too deep, you can measure it with that. So, as I say, this is your Titan drill. It's quite a big drill, and I'm not saying it's heavy, but if you were holding that up for a while and try to drill above your head or do a wall with the breaker side, yeah, it would be quite heavy on your arms. Right, what I've got here, I'm going to lay on top of it, right? That's just an 18 volt, basically a cordless. It's to give you an idea of just the size difference. So do you see that? Now the new Makita 18 volt cordlesses, the only difference is the drills are practically the same, it's just the batteries are a bit more square, right? Okay, that is the older type, but it was just to give you an idea roughly the difference of the sizes. Okay. Now I think I want to show you also, it's grease. Hang on, change hands, guys, change hands. It's just grease to put on your chisel. See when you're putting your drill bits in there, just put a wee bit of grease on them, because see if you do work that up quite constant, it lubricates it, eh? And it helps it so that you can release them in and out, no problem. A lot easier, guys. Right, so as I say, I didn't get that with that, but I keep that in the box. Okay, right, let's see if we can stand this up somehow, like that. Right, this is the drill. What I'll do is, I'll lay that to the side and shut the box. It'll probably be easier. Right, let's shut the box, shut the caps, and we'll move the box to the side. Because you've seen what's in the box, guys, there's not much point. See, I'm doing this one-handed, guys, just bear with me. And now I'll show you the drill. I like it. I like the drill. Now, at the end of the day, you get what you pay for. It's no your Bosch, Makita, Milwaukee. It's Titan, but does the same job. I'm not saying it'll do as heavy a job as your professional breaker tools. I'm not even sure if this is classed in the league of a professional tool, but I've seen plenty of them on YouTube and that getting used in that, and they do the job. They do the job. Right, so as I say, it's your SDS. See the wee dollop of grease in it, guys? I even see a wee bit of grease in it. So when you're putting your drill bits in and out, keeps it lubricated. All you have to do with them is push it back. You see that? And then your bit will go in and click. Click and it'll hold it. And then Your handle, as I say, you can adjust it. It can go up and down, and see what I mean? But these guys that have got drills, you can all that stuff. Speeds. 5, 4, 3. That's how you can slow the motor down to a slower speed. Speed it up, right? Goes up to 6. That's your trigger. Okay. That one there, I don't know if you can see that. That's on drill and hammer. Okay. On the other side, it's just drill. So if you just want to drill without the hammer action, just flick it across to that side. Okay. So all you would do is that. Across to just drill. Okay. Now, this one here, I'll do the downwards. That one there, no, it's actually, this is the end that it's pointing to. So we'll go hammer and drill. Press that in, turn it round. And that'll just put you on hammer action. Yeah. It's quite a powerful wee thing for the size of it. But I say it's quite... God. You could quite struggle lifting that with one hand, unless you're very strong. But as I say, it's a good tool. I like it. I've not used it much. I've only used it about 5 times for drilling holes in slabs, using masonry bits, and as I say, no problem. Drills in, no problem. As I say, you seen the Screwfix catalogue. That's where I got it for. Screwfix gives you a rough idea where it is. Listen, if you're doing wee jobs or DIY or whatever, as I say, this is laying in the shed for a while too, and it has been fine. The only thing I would say is, you see that even with professional tools, see sometimes when the boys just fling the drills in the boxes and they just clash the leads in with them. Watch how you're putting your cables away in your boxes, so that you're not kinking them or jamming them, and because you can end up damaging them. And also on your drills, your air bits for where the motor works, and your air bits there, keep them clear. The motors need to breathe, guys, when you're using them, and you'll not overheat your tools. You don't want them overheating, because that's how you damage them, and they'll not last. So that's basically it. Just a short one, guys. As I say, it's a Titan, yep, SDS Plus Drill, an accessory set I got for Screwfix, and I'm out of 10. I would give it, I'll not give it 10 out of 10, I'll give it 9 out of 10. I've never used it enough for to get the full 10. As I say, we'll give it a 9. I like it, as I say, and I'll no need to buy another one, because as I say, for what it costs, guys. Right, so if you're happy with this video, like, subscribe and share if you like, and leave any comments below. Or if you've got one, you've got rid of it, you didn't like it, put a comment below. Let us know how you got on with it. But as I say, value for money, I would give it a thumbs up, and I like it. So anybody, I'll see you in the next one. Take care.